Hi there, George here from Thames Valley Windows. Let me introduce the Apeer 70, one of the most secure, thermally efficient doors on the market today. At full 70mm thick, this triple glazed composite door is built like a vault. Its high density polyurethane core, steel reinforcement and triple glazed frame provides unbeatable security and insulation, far beyond the industry standard. This isn't just about a door and keeping the cold out, it's about creating a quiet, safe and energy efficient home. With U values as low as 0.7, the Apeer 70 would rival a passive house door. You will also get police approved locking mechanisms, robust hinges and impact resistant glazing, all as standard. Design wise, there's no compromise. Traditional or contemporary styles, a wide range of colours and even wood effect finishes, all as standard. Fully customisable for your home, with over 60 different designs and 20 different standard colours, alongside many different RAL colours. If you're looking for a door that offers top-tier performance, outstanding security, a stunning design, the Apeer 70 is for you.